Hello, you're welcome as we solve this maths problem. So find the last number. As you can study this system, 2, 6, 12, 20 and 30. So warm your mind with this maths puzzle and find the last number. So use these 5 seconds so that now you can comment with the answers that you have on the comment section. I hope you've done it. So let's now start with our solution. So the first solution is that now we shall write the entire number. So 2, 6, 12, 20, then 30. So we are asked the last number. So the first one now shall make something like this and now say that 2 plus 4 is 6, then 2 plus 4 is 6, then 6 plus what gives us 12. So that is 6 plus 6 is 12. Then here is 8. So as we can check this trend, so we are realizing that it is adding up with a certain number here. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So meaning that now 8 plus 2, then now here we shall have 10. So meaning that now we shall create another one. So 10 plus 2 now we shall have 12. So that is to mean that 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 10 is 30, then 30 plus 12 is 42. So on this first method, the answer that we've got is 42 is the last number. So let's now check on the second method if they're the same. So now the second solution that we have, let's write the number that we're working out. So we have 2, we have 6, we have 12, we have 20, then we have 30. So we are asked to find the last number on this maths puzzle. So how do you find the last number? So the last number can be found with using this formula, that is n squared plus n. So that is mean that here now we shall assume to be 1, 2, 3, 4, then lastly here now we shall have 5. So that is to mean that here 1 is 1 squared. So 1 squared plus 1, that is 2. Okay, so that's why we have this 2. So 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So here is 3. 3 squared is 9, and 9 plus 3 is 12. Here is 4. 4 squared is 16, and 16 plus 4 is 20. Okay, so 5 squared is 25, and 25 plus 5 is 30. So now we shall have 6. So 6 squared is 36, and 36 plus 6 is 42. So that means that our final answer that we've confirmed with these two methods is 42. So comment for us on the comment section if at all you've got your answer as 42. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel if you have not, so that now you can enjoy our next math puzzle.